up, and the fish waiting for the poo, and then to catch the fish again.
I'm very happy today because the weather.
Sometimes when it's getting hot, they lay down the mud spa. It's a vitamin for elephant, lah. It's a wormwood. Yes, very bitter. It's very bitter. Amargo. Very bitter. Give you lost energy, yeah. Give you lost energy. Give you energy. Taste very bitter. It's stopping the fever, yeah. Fever. I eat every day. Fever reduce the cholesterol in your blood. If you have a problem with the diabetes, control sugar in your blood. Make you sleep well, give you energy. We have many systems. You can boiling water, or slide, soak in the honey, or soak in soda, or just cooking with the tamarind and salt, making warm. The problem tastes very bitter, yeah.